Hello friends, this is Sujit and today I have this bike computer model BC120 from Decathlon. So this has 5 functions, that is date time, speed, average speed, distance and total distance. It has wireless Bluetooth. So this is the receiver and display unit and one transmitter unit be there which will go onto the wheel. So you can see this is the display and receiver unit. This is the base to fix this unit. This is the transmitter which will go on the wheel. These are some bands to fix all this. So let's unpack and see what's inside. Okay. Okay. So let's take it out. So hopefully this is nothing, blank. This is the instructions how to fix this onto the cycle. Let's see. This is the instruction how to fix. So we'll go through it later. I'll go through it. Okay. The setting, then how to fix it, what are the features, everything is there. So this is hopefully these are the bands to fix the base unit and the transmitter unit. So I hope some extra bands are there. Okay. Here this is the base fixture, so it will go on the handlebar of the cycle where we have to fix the display and receiver unit. Okay. So what else? So this is the main display unit. It has 2 buttons here. This is the power button, I hope. So this will be fixed. Here some cell will be there. Okay. So small. Okay. This is the transmitter unit. This we have to fix on the wheel. This will transmit the rotation and it will receive it and display this thing. So nothing else inside more. So that's all. Okay. So let's go to fix it. Here is my bicycle where I want to install it. So let's do it. So first we'll fix the base unit, the receiver unit, and the monitor. So we can fix it here like this, but this is not going well here. So I'll consider it here. This is fine. So this is done. Let's see. So here we can fix the monitor. Just and rotate a bit. Done. We can remove this thing now. It's not coming out. Okay, you can remove this pill. Okay, done. So now we'll fix the transmitter unit. Let's see. So on the wheel we have to fix 2 things. One is this magnet. Okay, it is like this. Okay, it'll go like this. Put it here. This clockwise and it will get fixed. This is done. This is done. Now we'll have to fix the transmitter unit. So this is the transmitter unit, and here is some rubber thing. so I have to fix it this way. So we have different size of bands to fix it, so choose as per your requirement and align it like this. This gap should be about 5 mm. Okay, let us see which band is going through. So we'll see this is going better, and yeah, okay, so this is done. You can see, and can have a little adjustments. Just take it above. I think this is okay. Okay, now we can adjust this gap here like this. Okay, hope this is done. Let's start the unit. So we'll turn it on. Here is the power button. Okay, we need to keep it pressed. Hello. Yeah, so you can see this is already, the time is not set yet, and it is showing the speed. So let us see whether it is working or not. Rotate it. Don't think it is speaking. No. So we need to adjust something. Let us adjust. So go here. Let so I think the gap is moved, so I need to reduce the gap just to adjust. Let us see now. No, don't think it is working now also. No, not working. So let me fix it again. So I did some adjustment here, so you can see it is very close now. Now it should work. So let us see how it is working. So I did some adjustments, and let us see, it should work now. So let us see how to rotate this. Take some time. Yeah, so you can see it is indicating the speed. So finally, let's have a look. This is the time. This is the instantaneous speed in kilometer per hour. This is the average speed of the trip, and this is the total distance covered in kilometer. This unit can be changed in the setting. This is the total distance covered. This value is for all trips. If it is not reset, we can reset this value to 0 pressing this button. I don't want to do that. Then let us have a look at the setting menu. So this is the time setting. If we'll enter here, this is the time format, 24-hour or 12-hour format. 24 is okay. This is the hour setting. This is fine. This is the minute setting. This is also fine for me. Done. Next is the tire diameter. So this information can be taken from the tire. So unless this is set properly, the speed and the distance shown will not be accurate. So please set it prior to use. So here you can see different settings are there. This can be read from the tire. Mine is 700, so it is okay. This is 32. This is also okay. Done. So next is This is the meter. So this is the unit. This is, let us see what are the units. Kilometer and miles. I prefer kilometer. Okay, done. So next is all reset. I don't want to reset. If you will reset here, then every reading will be reset. Then good. So that's all. So now it is ready to go. Thanks for watching. Keep cycling.